And I think that's going to be pretty cool. That'll be like, I think everyone's going to want their own personal C-3PO, R2-D2, helper robot. Like, it would be pretty cool.
Okay, if you had to bet on any company, it'd be hard not to pick Tesla. The last 10 years at Tesla have been insane, and in the next 10 years, all of America, no, the whole world, will be flooded with the presence of the Tesla Bot Optimus. You'll see it in restaurants, parks, on the streets, and in pretty much any factory because essentially billions of people are going to buy them. The progress on the Tesla Bot is moving way faster than any of us expected. Back in January, it was still walking in a way that made everyone laugh, but by the end of the year, it had already broken the record for humanoid robots and had the most natural-looking gait we've ever seen from a robot. And that was only version 2.5. But what's really going to shake the world is Optimus Gen 3. Elon Musk has confirmed that Optimus Gen 3, the commercial production version of the Tesla Bot, will launch in Q1 next year, bringing a massive leap in technology and capabilities. Musk says Optimus Gen 3 will be able to perform up to 4,000 useful tasks, from cleaning the house and cooking to caring for the elderly. We had our doubts, but after the recent demo video, those doubts are completely gone. Optimus Gen 3 is definitely going to be a huge step forward compared to its earlier versions, and even compared to other humanoid robots on the market today. So what makes Optimus Gen 3 so special? And why is Elon Musk so confident when he says Tesla will lead the robot revolution?
When you see Optimus 3, yeah. It will seem as though that there's someone like a person in a robot outfit, which is how we started with Optimus.
If you remember the very first time Optimus was introduced, the robot could barely walk. It moved awkwardly, slowly, with an unnatural gait. But since then, Tesla has dramatically improved its mobility. Recently, Optimus Gen 3 has been able to run at speeds of up to 6.8 miles per hour, which is fast enough to move around factories or industrial zones without disrupting operations. This not only shows major technological progress, but also reflects Tesla's heavy investment in sensors, motion control, and stabilization algorithms. With a running speed of 6.8 miles per hour, Optimus Gen 3 can take on tasks that require quick and efficient movement without struggling with balance or being prone to falling. And Elon Musk has repeatedly stated that Optimus Gen 3 can operate 24/7 without needing rest. This will make the robot an essential tool for both households and businesses, handling boring, repetitive tasks without any loss in performance. Its ability to work non-stop will turn Optimus Gen 3 into a powerful labor asset in virtually any environment, and Musk claims it will be 5 times more productive than a human.
Like if Optimus, I think, could probably achieve 5x the productivity of a person per year because it can operate 24/7. It doesn't even need to charge. It can operate it tethered, so it's plugged in the whole time.
One of the most notable features of the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its ability to handle a wide range of tasks. While competing robots may be agile, they can usually only perform simple actions like moving objects or maintaining balance. Optimus Gen 3, on the other hand, can do far more than that. The difference is simple. While competitors focus on acrobatics and flashy movements to showcase mobility, Elon Musk has invested most of the money and effort into developing the robot's hands. These were Optimus's hands back in 2021, and just look at its hands now. They're completely different. There are many demo videos showing that the Tesla Bot can cook, clean, and perform various complex tasks. But in the future, it may even be able to work in hospitals or manufacturing facilities.
Optimus will be an incredible surgeon, for example. And imagine if everyone had access to an incredible surgeon.
This means the Tesla Bot Gen 3 isn't just a robot for household assistance. It could potentially perform medical tasks in the role of a surgical assistant or even a surgeon. We're not entirely sure about that yet since it's still too early to say, but Elon Musk has emphasized that Optimus could eventually achieve precision that surpasses human surgeons. One of the key factors that allows Optimus Gen 3 to operate continuously for up to 10 hours without recharging is its new battery technology. Elon Musk revealed that Tesla has switched to using 4680 cells for Optimus Gen 3, enabling the robot to work longer without interruptions. This is a major improvement over previous versions, which could only operate for a few hours before needing a recharge. Optimus Gen 3 can also charge itself automatically without user intervention. When its battery gets low, the robot will return to its charging station and dock itself. This is a very convenient feature, eliminating the need for users to manually charge the robot, making Optimus Gen 3 an ideal choice for households and businesses looking to automate work without worrying about energy management. Unlike simple robots that can only perform pre-programmed tasks, Optimus Gen 3 can learn from real-world experience, much like how humans learn through observation and practice. To make this possible, Tesla uses an advanced AI system developed from the company's full self-driving technology. This is the technological foundation that gives Optimus Gen 3 the ability to recognize and interact with real-world objects with incredible accuracy. For example, when the robot enters a kitchen, it can understand that a knife is for cutting, a pan is for cooking, and dishes are for holding food. Its 3D cameras and sensors allow Optimus Gen 3 to build a three-dimensional map of its surroundings and automatically plan its movements without human intervention. So what's inside the Tesla Optimus factory, and how is the robot trained? The truth is, Tesla doesn't yet have a dedicated factory for producing Optimus. They will soon build a massive plant in Texas, but for now the assembly and training of Optimus are still being done manually at the Fremont factory. When we talk about Tesla Bot Gen 3 being able to perform thousands of tasks, not everyone realizes how much effort Tesla's engineering team has put into training the AI and developing the technology behind Optimus Gen 3. In particular, building this robot isn't just about improving the mechanics or programming the software. It also involves collecting human motion data so Optimus can learn how to interact with its environment the way a person would. Although Optimus Gen 3 can perform thousands of tasks, those breakthroughs are only possible thanks to the massive collection of human motion data. To do this, Tesla has employees wear motion capture suits, helmets with cameras, and backpacks carrying 66 to 88 pounds of recording equipment. These workers repeatedly perform simple actions such as holding a glass of water, folding clothes, pulling curtains, wiping tables, and walking. Every movement is captured so Optimus Gen 3's AI can be trained to replicate those actions with precision. The collected data is then fed into the AI system to help the robot learn how to move, react, and interact with its surroundings. This is one of the most crucial steps for enabling Optimus Gen 3 to perform tasks in the real world. Something you might not know is that Tesla Bot Gen 3 isn't like traditional robots that are programmed step by step. Instead, Optimus Gen 3 uses a sim-to-real learning method. This allows the robot to learn tasks through simulated real-world environments, similar to how humans learn through observation and practice. Another special capability we've mentioned before is Optimus's potential for data sharing. This means that when Optimus Gen 3 learns a new task, it can share that knowledge with all other robots in the Tesla bot network. If one Optimus learns how to make pizza, that data is automatically transmitted to the others, allowing the entire system to grow smarter without any user intervention. Okay. We believe this will not only make Optimus Gen 3 smarter over time, but also increasingly better at adapting to human needs and habits. If you have two Tesla bots, they'll automatically cooperate and synchronize their data, allowing each robot to understand and perform tasks in the most optimal way for its owner. One of the most important and complex parts of the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its robotic hand. Designed to perform tasks requiring flexibility, high precision, and sensory feedback. The hand of Optimus Gen 3 isn't just a supporting tool. It's the key component that determines whether the robot can handle delicate, intricate tasks that previously only humans could do. As shown in the latest hand demo video, it's truly impressive even though it's only version 2.5. We can see each finger moving independently, performing complex motions with exceptional smoothness. This is a major leap compared to earlier generations like Optimus Gen 2, whose hand had only about 11 degrees of freedom and exposed joints and actuators that looked quite unrefined. The new hand can move with human-like dexterity, capable of gentle grasping yet strong enough to hold objects securely. Tiny actuators inside the hand allow Optimus to move each finger independently, enabling tasks that require high precision. These movements are modeled after the biomechanics of the human hand, with each finger having 3 flexible joints just like a real hand. This is especially important for tasks that require precise gripping and handling of small objects. For example, Optimus Gen 3 can hold a glass without breaking it, and it can even peel an orange. The main limitations robots usually face when performing such tasks are force sensitivity and tactile feedback. But Optimus Gen 3 has overcome this thanks to a combination of tactile sensors and miniaturized actuators. The massive improvements in AI and self-learning capabilities make Optimus Gen 3 not just a piece of technology, but a true collaborator in any work environment. And this development doesn't stop at improving task efficiency. It also expands into a much larger robotic ecosystem where Optimus can learn and adapt to any setting. The combination of sim-to-real technology and an automated network allows Optimus Gen 3 to become a truly intelligent robot, capable of handling tasks ranging from simple to complex, while learning them through observation and real-world experiences. This not only makes the robot smarter over time, but also greatly increases the practical value of every Optimus unit, turning it into an incredibly powerful tool not just for households, but also in industrial and medical environments.
AI and robotics continue to advance, which they are advancing very rapidly. Like I said, working will be optional, and people will have any goods and services that they want.
Elon Musk stirred up a lot of public attention when he stated that work will become optional, and money will gradually lose its value, thanks to the rapid advancement of AI and robotics. If in the past people worried that robots would replace human jobs, Musk now believes that Optimus will open the door to a future where humans simply no longer need to work. It's a promising vision, but it also raises major questions about the future of labor in an age of automation. Right now, people still have to work to sustain their lives, earn money, and meet essential needs. But with the rapid development of AI and robots, work may no longer be necessary. Optimus Gen 3 is the clearest proof of that. Imagine not having to wake up early on a Sunday morning to clean the house, cook breakfast, and finish all the chores. Optimus would handle everything for you. Your household tasks would be done without you lifting a finger. Yeah, it sounds like science fiction, but that's exactly the future Tesla Bot Gen 3 is aiming for. A world where work becomes optional, and we can enjoy life without worrying about working just to survive. With its ability to perform 4,000 tasks, from cooking and cleaning to caring for the sick, Tesla Bot Gen 3 is truly a solution for busy families. Imagine if the Tesla Bot could also assist with elderly care. With its ability to detect physiological signals, the robot could help seniors with tasks like mobility support, personal hygiene, and basic health care. This is especially important in modern society, where the elderly population is growing and healthcare demands continue to rise. Beyond household tasks, Optimus Gen 3 could also play a major role in factories and industrial settings. With its ability to move quickly, work non-stop, and perform complex tasks such as assembly, quality inspection, or material handling, Tesla Bot Gen 3 can replace humans in jobs that require high precision and repetitive labor. Elon Musk has shared that Tesla's goal is to integrate robots into the production process at Tesla's factories, starting with the gigafactories and eventually expanding to other companies and industries. Optimus Gen 3 units will help boost productivity, reduce labor costs, and most importantly, minimize the risk of workplace accidents. Tedious, dangerous, and repetitive tasks, such as operating machinery or assembling components, will become the responsibility of robots. One of the biggest benefits Optimus Gen 3 brings to the industrial sector is its ability to handle dangerous jobs that humans cannot or should not do. Tasks like operating heavy machinery, working in toxic environments, or navigating hazardous spaces can all be handled by this robot. This not only helps protect workers' health and safety, but also increases efficiency and productivity in manufacturing.
We'll do Optimus 4, that'll be, 10 million units. Optimus 5, maybe 50 to 100 million units. I mean, it's really pretty nutty.
Elon Musk has shared that Optimus Gen 3 will not just be a single product, but the first step in an entirely new generation of robots. According to Musk, Tesla plans to produce 10 million Optimus Gen 4 robots and 100 million Optimus Gen 5 robots in the future. This is an extremely ambitious goal, but with Tesla's current manufacturing capabilities and technology, it may be achievable. With large-scale production plans, Optimus Gen 3 will not only be used in homes and factories, it could also be widely deployed across industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and even space exploration. Tesla aims to produce 10 million Optimus Gen 4 robots per year, with Optimus Gen 5 potentially reaching up to 100 million units annually. This demonstrates Tesla's massive ambition to make Optimus Gen 3 not just a widely used product, but one capable of truly replacing humans in many jobs across society. The ability to manufacture millions of robots each year will not only reduce costs, but also make Optimus more accessible and widely adopted. However, achieving this goal requires Tesla to build a highly optimized production process, especially when it comes to managing and operating its manufacturing lines. Musk shared that Tesla will need to create an entirely new supply chain to meet the production demands of Optimus Gen 3 and its successors. This represents not only a technological challenge, but also a large-scale logistics and management problem that Tesla must solve. Optimus Gen 3 is not merely an automation tool. It introduces a new business model built around robotics and artificial intelligence. Musk emphasized that Optimus Gen 3 can help businesses reduce labor costs and increase efficiency while generating a new stream of income for robot owners. A unique feature of Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its ability to generate revenue for users. Musk mentioned that owners could potentially recover their investment within 2 to 3 years by renting out Optimus Gen 3 to perform tasks for small businesses, such as serving food in restaurants or working in hospitals. With an estimated price of $30,000 to $50,000 per robot, users could recoup this investment by renting the robot out for industrial and service sector work. Elon Musk also revealed that Optimus Gen 3 could be rented out as a source of passive income. With the rise of sharing economy technologies, owners of Optimus Gen 3 could rent their robots to companies for tasks such as transportation, elder care, or factory work. This is an innovative business model that not only saves costs, but also paves the way for a future robot sharing economy. In the end, Optimus Gen 3 may become an indispensable part of everyday life, as it automates nearly every field, from households to industry and even healthcare. Thanks to advances in AI and sensor technology, Optimus Gen 3 will be able to operate in real-world environments, understand human gestures and intentions, and perform tasks that require high precision and adaptability. Musk also shared that Optimus Gen 3 will not be a product only for the wealthy. It will be a useful tool for everyone. The goal is to give people more time to enjoy life without having to do repetitive or exhausting work. Tesla Bot Gen 3 will not just replace labor, it will help people live better, work less, and enjoy more. Okay, so, would you want to own a Tesla Bot Optimus Gen 3 in the future? And are you worried that robots might take away human jobs? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more future tech content. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.